How to install Cinema HD on your mobile phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily install Cinema HD on your phone. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Google Play Store if you are on Android. And if you are on an iOS device, you can just go ahead and open up your App Store. Once you are on your Play Store, tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner and then simply search for Cinema HD and then hit enter. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see the Cinema HD app right here by Zendril.studio. Go ahead and open it up. And if you want to know more about the app, you could just scroll down and tap on About This App. You'll be able to see all of the app descriptions right here. All you need to do now to install is just hit this big install button right here, and it will start downloading on your phone. And that is how you can easily install the Cinema HD app on your phone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.